Hey everyone, welcome back to MKC Electronics, or for those who are new, welcome to the channel. If you have been following me for a while, you know I'm always on the lookout for interesting electronics and interesting tech. And today is not different. I have here sound system. This is a Dolby Atmos sound system from a company called Ultimea, and I bought it myself. I'm not sponsored, just put it out there. And this model is Ultimea D80 Poseidon 7.1 Dolby Atmos. I know it's a mouthful, isn't it? But I have to share this with you guys. This is £200 system on the discounts now on Amazon. Link in the description, by the way. And I'm coming from Samsung Q990D. Yeah, that's a pretty top-end soundbar. And this thing, it doesn't sweep floor with it by no means, that's for sure. Yeah, but for what it is, for what I paid, insane performance. Clean, no distortions, full room of sound, FX, surrounds, whole package. So if you are looking for a new surround system, or you just wanna know what this is about, stick around because we will dive a little bit into it. This system comes with everything what you would expect from high-end sound system. So you get your physical speakers, it's wireless, it's got a sub, Dolby Atmos, 7.1, all this thing, except up-firing speakers. That's a catch number one, no up-firing speakers. So if they are capable, because I haven't heard it, we will get to it, but if they are capable of anything, they have to do virtual stuff on it. Alright, so here's the deal. I spent 2 weeks with the system, and I was playing games, watching movies, doing Dolby Atmos tests, the Dolby Atmos demos, yeah, all this.
On the roost!
Hey everyone. I get to keep the suit?
Of course. Doesn't fit me. Just don't do anything I would do. And definitely don't do anything I wouldn't do. There's a little gray area in there, and that's where you operate.
Are you ready?
We're ready to forget the further, once and for all. My brain just been foggy past few years. All I ever wanted was to be a good dad.
Dalton.
Well, the first impression of the system when I did fire up, I was like, I know there's some small speakers and small sound systems they can perform, but this is truly outperform my expectations. I did expect richer sound, a little bit of virtual sound, yeah, sound, a little bit of bass. Nah, this thing is scary. You don't wanna go past. So the counter goes up to 100. I would say safe listening, it's around 40. If you want to loud, it's 60. Anything above, you just want to hurt yourself. But I did try that. I did go all the way to 100. Didn't get any distortions. Didn't get any tune up on the EQ. I don't know if that is good thing it didn't dial back. Maybe in long term it could damage it. Not sure. So Dolby Atmos test in 3, 2, 1.
Prepare to experience something spectacular with the sight and sound of Dolby technology. This is Dolby Atmos. Now, sound moves around you in three-dimensional space with breathtaking audio quality. It brings the on-screen action alive and immerses you in every moment. Whether the soundscape sets the mood of a scene
What is this place? Come on, you guys, let's go!
or captures the full extent
Do you want to know my secret?
of nature's fury. And remember this? It's just the beginning of Dolby Vision, because what you thought was black isn't. This is black. This is contrast that delivers greater detail and dimensionality. This is luminance that means the difference between white and pure energy. Energy that is about to reveal an entire universe of color that will transform your viewing experience.
Right. So I won't lie. We have nowhere near 50 meters square of room, but it sounds amazing here. It's clean, crisp, no distortion, and literally it gives you immersion like you are in cinema. You can feel the sound from the speakers, from the setup. You don't even know from which direction it's coming, the bass, because it's filling up the room amazingly. But this system is not just about how it sounds in big moments and loud scenes. If you watch movies and just wanna watch a chill, nothing super loud, and just enjoy the movie, yeah, it can deliver. The voiceover dialogue, it's clear, understandable. It doesn't have the thing where you're watching something and in order to hear what they're saying, you have to crank it up, and then the action that came and you go crazy and the speakers goes crazy. No, it's not like that. It's quite well balanced. You can put it on decent sound and stuff, and when FX comes, it will be not overwhelming that much. It will be slightly louder, but not with the, but not like with the other systems. One thing I really appreciate on the system is the customization and ease of it. So let's start with the remote control. If you look on the remote control, you can see how easy it's laid out, everything. So on the top we have our inputs. You got the ER, HDMI in, optical, aux, Bluetooth or USB. Right under you have a pairing for your subwoofer if it should come out of pair, and you have your USB repeat, which I do not know what it is. Sorry. You got your arrows, plus, minus, skip, play, pause, mute, dimmer LED, so you can dim the display. We'll get to the display, it's interesting as well. And then you have a dedicated button plus and minus for your bass, for your treble, and then you have a dedicated button. Then you have a dedicated buttons for your bass, mids and trebles, as well your presets of EQ for voice, music, movie, sport, game, and night mode. And right under that there's a surround. So if you press plus or minus on that, the surround speakers will get quieter, and you can adjust them to your liking. On top of that, with all this, what you have on the remote, you can open Ultimea on app So they have app. So Ultimea have an app. It's like a basic app where you can change the EQ, the presets, so you can do custom, and you can choose the power source. You can choose the input source, EARC, HDMI, optical, Bluetooth, aux, and USB, and you can control the sound. And now let's talk about the catch. So this system doesn't have an up-firing speaker, so it's, in my opinion, it's not real Atmos without up-firing speakers. Second, it does play only Dolby Atmos. It doesn't have an audio codec like a DTS. If you switch to DTS, you get no sound. You get Dolby Atmos and anything under, but DTS, it's not a thing. And third thing, I did have a anomaly where I would be watching movie and the whole speakers just turn off, and you get sound only from the center speaker, and then it comes back. Then after a while it goes out, it comes back. Well, you can turn it off and on and it will be alright, or you can stop the movie and play it again and it will be alright. So I'm not sure if it was not playing nice with the codecs from my TV, or if I have defective unit, or what's happening with it, because my other systems, they don't do that. They play perfect with my TV. So in summary, over those 2 weeks, I did enjoy the system. I would probably pay them more if they had the up-firing speakers and DTS. If they had that, I think they can easily market around 400, 450, maybe £500 mark, if it was up-firing system and had a DTS codec. But overall, right now, as it stands, for £200, I can't complain. It's a good system, fits nicely in my room. It's not gigantic, but it have a punch. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Please like, share, subscribe, hit that like button, and as always, I will see you in the next video.